Will I be able to do this? I'm supposed to add this slowly to the boiling water, but I'm not going to do it slowly. I'm going to create a vortex in here. Oops, not too fast so the water doesn't go out. While it's still moving on its own. Yay, everything in there at once. Well, not everything, as you can see. And if I need more water in the end, I'll have it. I can't put it in there. I must have it in a pan because I can't add more than this. Oh, what am I doing? It's honestly, once you know what you're doing and how to do it, it's easy. So basically you stir fry something which flavor you enjoy very much. Then you put some water in it, wait for it to boil, and then mix the cornmeal in it and set a timer for 30 minutes. Some foods we really can't eat, but this is not the kind. If it goes bad, the worst that can happen is for us to fry it the following day. And fried milho or fried polenta is delicious. Again, it's Portuguese style polenta. It's not soft, it's hard.